In this video, I will show you how to gain Instagram followers fast in 2020. You will get unlimited Instagram followers every day using this trick with no apps, no survey or human verification, and this trick is 100% secure if you follow the steps I show you in this video. But before we start the video, I'm Farzeel and here I publish content related to social media. So if you are new here, please subscribe and turn that bell icon to all so you get all our latest videos notifications. So now let's gain followers without using any app, without any surveys or human verification. First open Instagram. This is my official account. It has got 770 followers. Let's go and get followers. Now open your browser. I will recommend using Chrome browser for its auto translate feature, and then type the URL shown on the screen and visit the site. So now click login and log in here with a demo account. If you log in with accounts with pictures, you will get more followers and likes credits. Let's type the username and the password and then hit login. Once the details are filled, click on the login button. This can take a bit. Now you will see this interface on your screen. Here scroll down and click send followers. Wait for it. Scroll down again and enter your Instagram username here. And once you enter the username, click here. Wait for the page to load. Scroll a little and here you will see your Instagram account. Enter 50 into this box and click start. Down you will see a timer and a send follower. So as you can see, 5 followers sent, 15 followers sent and 20 followers sent. After a bit, as you can see, 50 followers are sent and submission completed. Watch till the end because the followers giveaway winner will be announced in this video. Now let's get likes on one of our posts. For that, scroll and click this heart icon. Scroll down and here paste the URL of your post and click find post. Now scroll a bit and you will see your post here. Type 25 and click start submission. Wait for this to load and you will get the likes in just a bit. It will take less than a second and the likes will be sent it to your favorite post. So as you can see, the likes have started to send. So let's open Instagram, and as you saw, we have started getting followers and likes on this account, and these followers and likes are from original profiles. We have got our follower increased and also the likes on the post. So the followers winners is Tweet Boy. He has subscribed to my channel, liked this video and also follows me on Instagram. The followers has been sent it to his profile. If you want to participate, you have to follow these requirements. Subscribe, like this video and comment your Insta username below. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe with turn on notifications. So I will see you soon. Bye.